I don't know if you can see that deer or not. I'm going to back up. Took off running. Anyway, this is part I don't know, 5 or 6 trails. My golf cart by my house. Let me zoom back out. To cross through civilization. It happens to be deer season right now. Lucky for that deer, I'm not a hunter. Wasn't big enough to shoot anyway, but I'll hop off here in a second and show you the golf cart. Just got through doing some upgrades on it, and this is the maiden voyage on the test run. It's a 2007 EZGo. Did a few little upgrades to it. Put a Jake's lift kit on it. It's a spindle lift. That's how the lift looks. Got some 22-inch tires on it, 10-inch rims. That's it. Picnic area. The trail here is called Bobcat Ridge. Bobcat Trail, actually. a few things in my cart right now that are making some extra noise that I'm going to take out or strap it down somehow. I got some tools down here. I just got through doing some upgrades on my cart, putting some new wires on it, so I didn't want to take off from the house without tools, running miles back up into these woods. I've got some golf balls and some other stuff in here. That's my ice chest holder right there. A little bit of a hill right here. I have to put my 2 feet on the brakes going down some of these hills. Yeah, it's definitely noisy. Not as noisy as a motor, I guess, but I need to get rid of some of these things bouncing around in here. I don't know if you can see down there or not. It's beautiful though.